Hello! Here at The Good and the Beautiful, we are excited to share new electives courses that can help your children discover and develop their talents. Today, we're going to give you a peek into our oil painting course. This introduction to oil painting is designed for students in grades 5 and above to complete independently. Each of the 6 lessons is meant to be accessible for any level of artist who wants to try their hand at this exciting medium. Before they begin, students will learn how to properly prepare their workspace and keep themselves safe when working with oil paints. Let's take a closer look at the project-based lessons in this course. Beginning in Lesson 1, students will be painting. First, they will learn color theory basics, and then they'll get to work mixing oil paints right on the canvas and palette. To guide students as they complete projects, each lesson includes step-by-step instructions and photos. Lessons 2 through 6 can be worked on over multiple sessions, and a helpful banner will show students the best place to pause in the middle of the longer projects. Before they start each painting, students will learn a bit about the history and creation of art. The course is filled with classic oil paintings of the Renaissance, the Romantic era, and beyond. Students will be introduced to beautiful works by renowned artists such as Rembrandt van Rijn, Georges Seurat, John Constable, and more to reinforce each topic taught. When they finish this course, students can add the oil painting badge to the collection in their My Electives badge book. Oil painting and other electives courses, along with all our curriculum, can be found on our website, goodandbeautiful.com.